Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with Galine Design and Lily of the Valley Digi. I linked both down below. Here's the card that I made. The baby alphabet bears actually comes in a set of 26, of course. And I thought the B would be nice. If you know the name of the baby or the boy, girl, that's his birthday, you can customize it, of course. I went for baby, and I'm using the Galine Design Alphabet Modern, which are small letters that you can customize or shape into a word, and also the hurrah, which is hooray, a baby. And I put them close to the B on purpose to leave as much white space as possible. But with darker colors it might be a little bit more difficult to read. So maybe white embossing would have been better. I don't know, it's a bit of an afterthought actually, but there you go. I also color my bear and the bee in non-traditional baby color, so I thought they could go for both genders. The turquoise and the purple maybe a bit more boyish in the end. But yeah, I like those colors. I use the Zig Clean Color Real Brush Pens, and I don't have all the colors. So, I made you with what I have. And I'm turning the music on in a little bit. And just because the rest of the video is a coloring. And the only thing I did at the end was attach it with tape runner to a card base. What I found, this is watercolor paper, by the way, that goes through my laser printer. So it's not the thickest or the best, but I made you, it's a bit more patchy than I would have liked maybe, but that's the paper, not the markers. And you can either blend out with water or blend out with another color of marker or pen, and I did both. And I went back and I put more and then you can put it wet on wet as well, because the real brush, so that's really nice as well. You will see me do that in a bit. For the text I use Versamagic, and as I said, now that I look at it, I already did the Dutch voiceover and I didn't realize it. Sometimes it takes a little bit. White maybe would have been nicer, but yeah, I didn't. Next time. But I wanted them to be tucked in, hurrah, baby, otherwise the B doesn't really make any sense. Or you put the text next to it and then leave the B. But yeah, more cards. You will see them on Instagram if you follow me there, or Facebook. Anyway, thank you for watching. For now, I am going to turn on the music and I will see you again soon. Bye!